Hey, planets, let's have a battle. First round, who's the hottest planet?
I'm the closest to the sun, so obviously I'm the hottest. Ha ha! Don't be so sure, Mercury.
Who's got the right answer? Hit like and subscribe. Next round, who's the coldest planet?
I'm the farthest from the sun, so of course I'm the coldest.
Uranus doesn't even try, just sleeps and still wins.
Enough talking, Earth. Do you really think you can win against us in this planet battle?
Then tell me, who among you actually has life?